In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR or barcode directly in Google Docs. First, you need to open Google Docs. You can access it by going to your browser and entering the Google Docs URL. Once you've reached the home page, if you're not already logged in, make sure to do that first. With Google Docs open, click on a document. It can be an existing document that you want to edit, or you can create a new one by selecting a blank document or choosing a template. With your document open, move your cursor to the top menu and click on Extensions. In the drop-down menu that appears, hover over Add-ons and then select Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace, which contains a variety of add-ons that you can install to expand the functionality of Google Docs. In the search bar of the marketplace, type QR code generator and hit enter. Here you'll see several options, but you're looking for one with the name QR code barcode generator. Click on this option to open the description page for the add-on. You'll have the opportunity to review ratings and remarks to ensure it suits your needs. When you're ready, click on Install to add it to your document extension options. With the add-on installed, head back to the Extensions menu in your Google Doc. Click on it, and you should now see QR code barcode generator available in the list of extensions. Click on it and select the QR code generator. Once it loads, you'll see an input field or section where you can type in the content you want the QR code to contain. This is where you enter information like a website URL, text, or any data you want encoded. After entering the content, you'll likely see buttons to proceed such as Generate or Create. Once the QR code is ready, click Copy to Clipboard. Return to your document, place your cursor where you want to insert the QR code, and paste it. You can adjust the size or position if needed to ensure it fits the format of your document. For generating a barcode, revisit the extensions in the menu and click on the QR code barcode generator again. This time, choose barcode generator from the options. Enter your barcode values in the provided input field. Like before, after generating, click on Copy to Clipboard, navigate back to your document, and paste it in the desired location. This concludes the process of creating and inserting QR and barcodes in Google Docs, and I hope this simple guide helps you enhance your document's functionality with ease.